Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, on one of this week's episodes on Uthando Nesthembu, we see Mpumelelo and Mselegu touching on a subject matter that I was quite curious to see in this season. Now, I do think just because they did not dive deep into it, or at least I'm hoping that when Izingane Zesthembu comes out, that they're going to touch much more on this whole issue of Uvuyokazi, the kids, and Mpumelelo. I'm not so sure if they're gonna do that, because on that episode, Mpumelelo made it clear that even while the father was trying to ukuyiphatha le ndaba yeingane, and Uvuyokazi, Mpumelelo was not interested. He did not want to talk about it. Now, I don't know if he did not want to talk about it in a sense that he's not interested in that topic, or maybe he feels like it's too sensitive and it's going to open up inkulumo. I don't know, but he did not want to talk about it. But Umusa says something. He said that Uvuyokazi is using the children as leverage, you guys. Uvuyokazi apparently is now saying Umhlopekazi was never that no damages in Klaulo for Umhlopekazi was never paid. Umusa clears that out, and he says that, listen, that is not true. Unokuzana Umhlopekazi, we paid damages for her. The one that we did not pay damages for is Unzulu, the last born. And the reason why we haven't paid damages is because their culture, or in their beliefs as themselves, they have to wait for the female's family ukuthi bazobika indaba before they continue to actually pay damages or something like that. Now, guys, now it kind of does look like, in a sense, that Uvuyokazi is withholding the kids from Mpumelelo, withholding the kids from them Selegos, right? But all I'm gonna say, guys, in this day and age, if you are a man, there's absolutely no excuse for you to have to not be in your child's life. Yes, I've heard what some men are saying, what is South Africa's justice system, or South Africa's system is failing men to be there for their children. But listen, you have to fight for your kids. But at this point, I just feel like the way Mpumelelo, or at least from the way Mpumelelo is being portrayed on TV, I feel like he's willing to leave this whole matter in the name of Angizumnengu Vuyokazi. But at that time, I'm just like, these are your kids. If it means what you must go to court for your kids and fight for your kids, do so. Like, I don't know, maybe how is it okay in some men's minds to leave children to just grow up without them, and then when children are grown, all they want to say is that, no, Umawako did not want me to see you guys. Nah, guys, you can't use that. Especially Mpumelelo has a whole platform to get, he has a whole platform. Like, he needs to fight for those kids, and that's why I'm really low-key hoping Izingane Zesthembu is gonna be dealing with this matter, you guys, because I'm not gonna even say Vuyokazi, she's wrong for withholding kids. I don't know her reason for withholding her kids. I don't know her reason for taking her Umhlopekazi. I don't know her reason from not letting Unzulu stay. I don't know, but all I know is that I'm going to need Mpumelelo to step up for his kids. Yes, I know yes, adapilelu social media, but it's just looking like at the moment you are there for your one kid, which is Ingane kaTirelo. You are there for that kid just because maybe she's not giving you any difficulties, but for the other kids, you are not able to be there. Like, guys, no. Like, that's why I'm just like, Mpumelelo, I really need you to redeem yourself in terms of this kid issue thing, because it's not a joke. These children are gonna grow up with the narrative, you did not fight for them. So I really hope Mpumelelo is going to put in the work, or is currently putting in the work, to see his children. If he's being vimbered, guys, from seeing his children, he must go through extreme lengths to make sure those kids, he has access to them and he has a relationship with them. Especially Unzulu, guys. Unzulu didn't even get much time to spend with them Selebus, or even with the father, according to my knowledge, or according to what I've got to see on social media. So practically, yeah, those people are like strangers to them. So then Madam Dala, then they're going to want to claim him as Selebu. No, they must do right by those kids. Anyway, let's just park it there, because those are just my thoughts concerning this whole Vuyokazi Mpumelelo children's situation. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.